Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually transfer a existing YouTube account from one Gmail account to another. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. First thing that you want to do is actually open up your YouTube account and log into your existing Google account where all your YouTube channels exist. Now from here we go to the top right corner and go to switch account. Now here are all the current accounts, YouTube channels on your Gmail. Now let's say you want to move this channel, the YT Tech Support. Now let's say we'll do another one. Let's say we do this one. Now from there we click it, we open up the channel. This is very important, and we go to the top right again. Now from here we go to the YouTube Studio, and inside the YouTube Studio from here we go to the settings. Now in the settings this tab opens up and we head to the permissions. Now inside the permissions we go to manage permissions, and this window will open up. Now as you can see here are all the brand account details. Now we simply go to users and go to manage permissions. Now inside the manage permissions this should load up right here. Now here you see the primary owner, that's me, and here we go to the top right corner to invite new users. Now here we simply add a email address that you want to transfer your current YouTube channel to. Now I'll do this, so I'll be right back in a second. And once you've put in your Gmail account that you want to transfer the YouTube channel towards, you simply press enter, and here you see a choose a role option. Now this is a little drop down menu and you choose owner. Now let's say you want just some person that can actually manage your account, you press manage, but we're going to transfer the whole account, so simply press owner. Now from here we press invite, and what this will do, it will actually invite this email address. So what we will need to do next is go down to Gmail and check our inbox from this current email address. So I'll be right back with you. So once you've logged into your account, you can actually see Google My Business has invited the account, and once you click it, you can see here that you can actually accept the invitation. Now from there we accept the invitation, simply become an owner of the, let's say, channel, press accept, and now it is accepting it. And here we can see the manage permissions. Now inside the manage permissions we need to log in to our current account, and once we log in we can manage the permissions, and as you can see I'm the owner now. But I'm not yet the primary owner, because if I want to change this to primary owner, as you can see I can transfer it, but I have to wait 7 days till I can actually make this account my own. Now this is a security measurement from YouTube. Now from here what we need to do is actually wait 7 days, and from here we can change the account from owner to primary owner, and then the account has changed from Gmail address and it is officially your own. Now if you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.